Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Wise account by requiring a second form of verification. Follow these steps to enable 2FA for your Wise account. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Visit the Wise website or open the Wise app and log in using your credentials. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the Security or Privacy section to find options related to two-factor authentication. Step 3. Choose two-factor authentication. In the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it to start the setup process. Step 4. Select your verification method. You will be prompted to choose how you want to receive your verification codes. Options typically include using an authenticator app or receiving codes via SMS. Select your preferred method and follow the instructions. Step 5. Complete the setup. After selecting your verification method, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This may involve entering the code sent to your phone or generated by the Authenticator app. Make sure to save any backup codes provided. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Wise account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your verification method secure to protect your account further.